See, that's a nice smooth stop. I do have the defroster in the window at about 50%, so it's blowing warm, but not too warm. We'll be taking 94 East. I like this car much better, but it's just really small. Normally I drive an Impala SS. A lot of you would hit the sign because you just can't see it. So I have to wait for the green. I'm deliberately going to wait. I'm going to be merging on the freeway. Moment. Light's yellow. I wait for it to turn. Check. Good. I'll turn my brights on in a second. You can see a lot better. Pretty good. That's what it looks like. Definitely see it. Here you can. Yeah, it's pretty good. For the thumbs up. And I'm going to get over my lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. You can see how bad it is. You can see where the brights don't hit them. So get off of this mile road. Then I'm going to lift my foot. Those yellow warning lights are called chevron alignment signs. So they're on the opposite side. The curve goes to the right, they're on the left. We have a warning sign of a traffic light again. I've had a lot of students who literally crash here. They go too fast. And now the curve goes around to the left, and the chevron alignment signs are on the right. So this helps you orientate yourself. And I'm at 30. I'm going to be in the inside lane. I'll be in the inside lane by the double yellow. This vehicle to the right will be in the lane to the right by the curb. If you don't turn in the correct lane, you will crash. That's failure. Please make sure you understand this. Excuse me. I feel terrible. Okay, I look. We'll go by the double yellow. Literally, you go into darkness. But see? I got it. This intersection is dangerous because cars will just cut right in front. Should be able to see better. At the light, we're going to make a left. So I'm going to get in when the line is broken. You should see me merge in about now. And this is a protected left turn. So, some of you have this in your community, some do not. I'm going to stay behind the stop line. Intersections are the most dangerous place. I want to turn by the double yellow. The inside lane, the nearest lane for me is by the double yellow. So I can move forward. If traffic clears, then I can turn. I'm waiting for these cars to go by. It's clear. Then I turn by the double yellow. I overshot it a little bit, but I'm okay. I need to make a left turn on the street. I'm going to signal early. Squeeze my brake. I'm going to turn slow. See how dark it is? Make a right turn. All right. And then sometimes I take clients to neighborhoods like this to really work on those fundamentals, those left turns, those right turns. If your instructor's not doing this, they're not teaching you. That was a pretty good turn. I'm going to turn the brights on again. Hey, we can see. I'm at 20, even though the speed limit is 25. Just taking my time. Am I sick? Yes, I feel that crap. But I wanted to show you this. Still at about 20. Stop. This is a regulatory sign and a guide sign. The guide sign is green and right. The regulatory sign is red with the white letters. I'll pull over here and talk to you guys. There's a car coming, so I'm going to wait. All right, let's talk about this. So you saw me have good speed control. It's really dark. It's challenging for any driver to see. You saw drivers cutting off, tailgating. I kept my speed to be consistent. I didn't have to slam brakes nor run lights. I was driving about 5 under, 7 under. You saw me use my blinker, 3 blinks, 1001, 1002, 1003. You saw me have good speed control, good distance. It was very hard to see. For a beginner, I think you would be kind of overwhelmed, but I would support you, talk to you, help you, because that's what I'm supposed to do as an instructor. I'm really showing you the real life behind the scenes, how you teach someone how to drive. For those of you who really like this type of content, you're like, man, keep doing it, keep showing us. And that's why I want you to look at all these videos. The car has good windshield wiper place. I think you saw that because we were able to move that water. The headlights were okay, but you can't drive with your brights on. You also see that I'm not feeling the greatest. I'm very stuffed up. It's hard to breathe, and if you have to drive it like this a long time, you feel like crap. I think it was a good video because I showed you some of the things you need to work on as a beginning driver.